Normal kanyam biya kamal roje biya lingwas me roje shala da kirma yadit ka kwire nyal shala no che yak re wecha kamala kala de la dung UN gen re wecha kanasar gwase cha general cha janektin kene di nyaka ala di ss pdf gwade chi general me cha janektin ngwas mo me cha gadwan maten re nyal mo chikan jien chika wuka malakal chu togono shikirm yadit ka shanka baro shang baro mo kapai diok alapan chu te ka roj mishalat kumuk tabden go chire nyala mo chayak ka chobdo malakal ka chane di ne dial content re di nyala mo la di ni many de kondila unimis ishu ka luwere re nyala mo jen roje dani chalat kenyam ana mo antame chala do men chalat point en kirma yadi da wa kaj kirma yadi cha kaj me cha kaj win mon ko ron milyanka me chal lingne dial ka social media chaling anaran wi mon chala do ne me chi to ko chiren yal to chi ga chop ka gwada na chi ga chop ko ja go cha nang general point de gen general kana ji kwara ko ken duno ren yal yu ana mo la ren yal unimis cha chobre wi kamal kal alo che land safely ko kirshela no chine dial tentere nyal ishikali yak kashikaliu kan dial wona ka jiyun mis chala do no mo misinformation ka roja dana chalat ke ala chaja la wrong message ki wrong information no mo ne ka tin content ka ground tin ka malakal an go chi yun mis re nyal che ka chobro malakal che nyal mo che yak ki chine dial trade shikaliu no mo cha guje international community no che chong shirmanga yana no nji international community kajan gwasame te kamichikan lat alaken raji kan lat aken kwet kan jechen boran tere wish kan nasar kan wolanga ko shikan renyal shikan bar karenyal mo renyal le nyam la dungde ni me shabok se ne konti la civilian re wi kan nasar kan wolang chega bok kan woda kan kwedana mo bugo kweno ngum share nyal yani shaje bokone ke chaje bar ne ko la jejen bor ne mabo washi fair ko shi fair ko mi dong bukalano jejen bor do badiene mi barkan renyal ka jamo ma renyal je bena tele ka permission kan kana mat ke jejen bor ano ajane kurigle no ano ai me shi tuok che chuo ne ko bajan rolon bajan ne kan ne ko la jikwara to renyal mo chwaye chubar churo do chubar menetin jene ala niga dobe dane ku kin yadin me ko jeje mo la sspdf kana agulek force ka abichok agulek for dung tet en roike general ulun kana dung abichok la dung jane ngum kana condemn ne ken yam kana ben me biga dor kana kul condemn kay joga ci korche to ga ci nale liutin ngum kana condemn na mo ba kelbo mo chagu jene o ci chong ano belet ke kwikele chebgino bene di albaga parba chagwa ba ko no bi South Sudan be kan chetere malko batikan getitin ko chikan ndi ala kon chikan kum kirma yadit kana rengma char chikan pressure ko de mal de kana no ku kana gwin na liuna yo bukan ko yala ra statement we condemn this incident you know la lat kana auto e kana de konti la jejen bor kana baga kep ka dwerani kana lat ki ba ku dwer ano jenda lat kan chikalano fengu ni chi liwo kan ko la civilian ne to boko ka helicopter re wut ngum kan condemn ne me boko na ka dom nyong me boko na ka nasar arenyal ano ngum kan lat tel mi chikan tel warga chikan gor mi chajek so chitkane kontin shi rajme la no chikan ekwet kan ne ko la jejumbor embassy ki muktab netin kontin to weekend karar ala french embassy ke germany ke netherlands norway ke United Kingdom ke United States ke European Union shika ga ko ngum sharen yalle ne chaje bar la kwet ken jejen bor kwet ken der kan mo shi chon ko ken ngai ken madan le rode tinare kur ngai ken tinare kur tele dom de kare ne ale ken jaga ja nyur ge amen mi shi kor mo che to ke cha no ko jejen bor no ba ne to la SSPD ba ko re wi ken asar anyogo na me roje dana chala de ne ko na jejen bor kan linke kan gor no bu kan lo me kan laro ne go ne ni unify force anu ngare weda but charge block chikira ma yadi de lok kan condemn kan ne content la international community kene de konen ko de ke muktam ne we ke juba la embassy ndi alante re widin we ka juba tel mi chikana lat la roy dan shawlan mu kon lingen tam to ci kirma ya didi ci kay kaje ka kuren yalla ci yak jaje la men BBC ne ke news ne dial Al Jazeera ne news dial wi mon ci kan la no ci ren yalla ci yak kan mo ci tok me cha la de long dobe dane cha ji yun cha ga barka je ka ci ga jibone ka ci ram kel ka ci tenen ram mo ba wa cha lu no na ka je do no ci do je gwada dane na barka ne konta la SSPDF tin ke gwada dane nyin ka tin ka tiare ne al gwada na ci ren yalla newton na me kel men din yan gwada me man an ci kirmi ya di la no men ci kire lat wa ci tok gorje no baje kwen ye gwas me ka tok English bi a chulinga gwa. The Office of the President has issued a clarification regarding President Kiir's statement in the State of the Nation address, confirming that Bo's plan involved in the UNMISS-led rescue operation safely landed in Malakal. On Friday, March 7, President Kiir, in his address addressing the situation in Upper State, had reported that a plane had crash landed in Malakal, killing all passengers on board following a tragic rescue mission. This was found not reliable information. It was a propaganda and a misinformation spread by the president himself, the Salva Kiir Mayardit. However, in a statement released on Saturday, March 8, the Office of the President clarified that both plane involved in the operation had indeed landed safely in Malakal. Contrary to earlier report, the passengers, some of whom sustained injuries, are alive and receiving medical care in Malakal. The statement further confirmed that the second plane, which had been previously unaccounted for, also landed safely. Unfortunately, 2 crew members were injured and 1 crew member tragically succumbed to gunshot wounded during the incident. His Excellency Kiir Mayardit would like to inform the public that the 2 planes involved in the rescue operation landed safely in Malakal. The numbers of passengers that were on board, some of them sustained injuries and did not perish as earlier stated, a statement made by the Kiir Mayardit on March 7, 2025. The second plane, whose whereabouts were unknown, landed safely too. 2 crew members sustained injuries and 1 crew member succumbed to gunshot